Yo, so what's good, guys? My name is Blaze Trades, and I want to welcome you to my journey of trading. This is the first journey. This is the first day, and we have just executed our first trade on our first 5K challenge account, and it has turned out to be nice and cool. So today I'm going to be taking you through how I did it, and before I take you through how I did it, the main aim of me posting this is to show you guys how I trade, my journey, and making sure that I'm supposed to see a success in trading eventually. So this is day one. We got our funded next account, and we managed to secure a 1 to 2 on GBP USD. That was a $100 profit today, and yeah, let's dive into the setup. Let me show you how I came about this trade. So I came, if you're in Kenya, you know that London session starts at around 10 a.m. So I was here by 9:30, and the candles were consolidating. The market was really consolidating, and I just decided to be patient and wait. So I knew the trend was bullish, and okay, let me explain why the trade was bullish. The trade was bullish today because I saw a massive push to the upside after the market reacting to this support zone down here, and I was expecting for sales, but eventually the market reacted nicely here, and the push was maximum, and I knew the buyers were already in the market. So I made a target above let me use I made a target above this place here, and price didn't reach that place at that time, so it consolidated. Then I came down to 15 minutes where my entry level is, and what did I see? I saw a beautiful order block here. So I drew this order block here and waited patiently for the price to tap down to it, and by by New York open, that is 15:15 in Kenyan time, 15:15 hours is 3 p.m. Kenyan time. There was a beautiful target, then there was a massive push to the top upside. So I knew it is now time to get in. So I got in, got my 1 to 2, and I was out. That's how I did it. That's how I did it, guys. So that's how I did it. It was just simple as that. Majorly, I trade support and resistance with supply and demand a little bit. This is my demand. So ICT guys will say it's an order block or fair value gap or something. I don't know. I'm not an ICT guy. I'm somebody who trades technical analysis, support and resistance purely. So those were my 2 points today. This point and this point here, down here. So price came down to my demand zone perfectly, and it was executed nicely. So that's what's up. That's how I traded, and we managed to secure 104.4 is like 1.4.49, 104.49 profit. That's like 2.09%. So hoping you're going to pass this challenge. Okay. So that's sweet. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you like my video, subscribe, and let's meet on the next episode. This is episode 1, guys. So leave your thoughts in the comment section, and let's do the best for ourselves. Remember, try to be better every single day. 1% better every single day is success. So that's what's up. Cheers. Adios.